3 days, no stress, no rush, just nature, family, campfires, and giant trees. Come with us as we start our camping adventure at Calvaris Big Tree State Park. Camping prep actually starts a day before the trip. We plan simple homemade meals, pack snacks for the road, and make sure we have everything ready before leaving. One last shopping stop before hitting the road. Ice cream, snacks, drinks, and all the things we somehow forgot while packing. Packing the car is always a challenge. Somehow we packed for 3 days like we are moving for 3 months. Loading tent, pillows, blankets, cooler, chair, Tetris style car packing. One final check and we are ready to leave.
Sure.
Say hi. We started at around 4:34 and it's a 3 hours drive. The drive itself felt like a part of the adventure. Entering Calvaris Big Tree State Park. The moment we arrived, everything felt peaceful. Fresh air, giant trees, and a perfect camping atmosphere. Since we were the first to arrive, we started setting up our tent. This is our site, 23. Now it's time to build our home for the next 3 days. Day 1 was all about getting here, slowing down and settling into nature, and this was just the beginning. Tent setup started with confidence and quickly turned into confusion. In this vlog, we take you through our full camping prep, cooking, shopping, packing, and road tripping, and finally reaching beautiful Calvaris Big Tree State Park. Once we finished setting up our tent, our friends started arriving one by one. Everyone quickly got busy setting up their tents, organizing camp chairs, and getting ready for 3 fun days together in nature. After a long day of traveling and setting up camp, dinner tasted extra special.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಟಿ ದೀಪ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಂಟಿ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಚಪಾತಿ ಸುಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಫುಲ್ಕ.
The first day ended with full hearts, good conversation, and the peaceful sound of the forest. And tomorrow, the real adventure begins. Stay tuned.